So what's going on, everyone? Today we are going to do a price prediction for Bitcoin Cash. This is probably one of the biggest cryptocurrencies in the market today. You guys can see that this cryptocurrency is definitely in a uptrend and currently is still intact. So maybe we might need to join the winning team, which currently is the buyers, and continue to look for this market to go higher for Bitcoin Cash. Welcome to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe. We're here to give you all a different vantage point of looking at the market and trying to determine which way price is going to move without causing any confusion. So if you guys want to follow me, make sure you guys do that. Hit the like, share, and as well as subscribe here to the channel. So now let's break this down first. This was a price prediction that we did back on April the 16th. And at that moment, we was looking for Bitcoin Cash to go lower. And as you can tell, even at the conclusion of the video, or even at the conclusion of the prediction, Bitcoin Cash didn't even go down. You know, the market maintained its strength and price continued to elevate. That told us that this market was definitely being controlled and moved by the buyers. Okay, so this price prediction did not go well. You guys can see 12.44% stop loss was hit on the 22nd of February, and then the market completely went berserk. It went on the bull run. Prices didn't even stand a chance, and I'm talking about the sellers. They didn't even stand a chance in this sell pocket or even this one. The market hit the sell pocket on May 8th, right there around $482 to $490. That is where Bitcoin Cash buyers found the sellers. And you can't say that you're surprised to see that happen, because we created that sell pocket all the way, because we saw it back in December 2024. That when price moved to this price area, price reacted and went lower. Price came back to this area and it reacted and went down. Okay, so yeah, Bitcoin Cash is bullish. Market currently is still trending to the upside. We're hitting all these sell pockets, and these sellers aren't impacting the price negatively. You know, the buyers is definitely strong into the market in Bitcoin Cash, that these sellers currently don't stand a chance. I'm bringing that back. Now, what we're going to do is create a couple of areas that we need to see buyers hold. Okay, so here's one area right here as a pocket of buying. Here's a very big one here. And then let's do one more down here. Okay. So now, as we continue to anticipate higher prices in the market for Bitcoin Cash, we need to continue to see price hold one of these three pockets in order to maintain that strength. Now, if we want it to really maintain its strength, we want to see price in Bitcoin Cash either touch these buy pockets above that trend line. That would definitely give us a little bit more indication that this market is still strong. All right, let's look at Bitcoin Cash on the weekly first. So this is what happened last week. We did see the week before price in Bitcoin Cash get hit with some selling, but as you can tell, overall the market did not react to that selling, because on last week price went right back up. Okay, I think we may see price in Bitcoin Cash test either this sell pocket that it's hitting right now or the next one. Okay, price definitely may try to target this middle sell pocket around 550 to 564. Let's look at this on the month real quick. So this is the month of June. Bitcoin Cash being completed right there. Very strong month. Not bad at all. Just continues to show us that the buyers are still in the market, moving the market. Here it is on the 5 weeks. Take a look at Bitcoin Cash on the 3 weeks. Here it is on the 2. The 5-day chart, very bullish on the 5-day. Yeah, that's very strong on the 5-day chart. Let's look at this on the 4. Looks pretty good there as well. Here it is on the 3. Bitcoin Cash on the 2. Here it is on the hourly time frame. We're still seeing indications of strength. Right here is a pocket on the 5-hour chart of buying right there. You guys can see that these buyers bought. These 5-hour bars is telling us that the buyers came in and supported the price. Here's on the 330. Okay, so all in all, given the fact that we're seeing price in this sell pocket and there's still a potential for price to react and go down, I still think that the market in Bitcoin Cash is pretty much still bullish. I really don't like putting on a prediction looking at the market trading in a sell pocket. But since I don't cover Bitcoin Cash every day on this particular channel, I want you all just to be prepared for the market to react. It could go back down. All right, so just be prepared for that. But we're going to look for the market to run up to this next sell pocket at the low, $552, 6.16.5% there, 6.34 at the high, 8.68. Okay, so those are our first two targets. Third one's going to be all the way up here around $619. That is around 19.12% move there. Okay, so that is pretty much it. We'll go ahead and extend this trend line over a little bit more for Bitcoin Cash just so we can track it. And that's it. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.